हेलो डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सौरभ क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं आईएसएस मतलब इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्विस का पेपर 2 का रिसेंट पेपर जो हो गया है उसका ही सॉल्यूशन। अगर आप हमारे तरफ से कोई क्लासेस की ज़रूरत है और डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन, मॉक टेस्ट, स्टडी मटेरियल, एनी ऑफ दैट, प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट, प्लीज कॉल और व्हाट्सएप ऑन दिस नंबर। Dr. Sources himself reply to your query through WhatsApp। अगर आप लोगों में से कोई भी हमारा यहाँ से प्रिपरेशन लेना चाहते हैं, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Saurabh's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurabh sir. So let's start with question number 17. Question number 17 में क्या बोला गया है देख लो। Let x1, x2, x3 be up to xn be a random sample from n of 0 to sigma square and sigma greater than 0. Which one of the following hypothesis has the critical region summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square greater than equals to 2 chi square n alpha as the UMP का मतलब क्या है? uniformly most powerful, uniformly most powerful. Okay, uniformly most powerful critical region of level alpha where probability of chi square n greater than equals to chi square n alpha equals to alpha asks that which of the option is correct. So how to solve of this kind of problem? Okay, so given that x1, x2, xn are independent and identical distributed, that means IID पिछला वीडियो में ही समझ दिया था IID का मतलब क्या है। IID नॉर्मल रैंडम वेरिएबल्स विथ मीन क्या होगा? विथ मीन 0 and variance sigma square. That means the summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square divided by sigma square distributed as chi square n. Okay, so the test statistics, what is the test statistics here? The test statistics summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square is follows the scaled chi square distribution under the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis. The critical region is given as summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square greater than equals to sigma square into chi square in alpha. Okay, so after analysis of these options, the given critical region is used of in that function, with this region. What is the region? This portion would be the region. So with this region is used for one-sided test, where we are testing for an increasing in variance sigma square, increasing in variance sigma square. Okay, so the critical region for in this portion, for critical region, summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square divided by sigma square into greater than equals to chi square in alpha. Is appropriate for testing if alpha sigma square is greater than some value under h1. Is appropriate for testing if sigma square is greater than some value under h1. So matching this critical region for h naught, defines sigma square equals to sigma naught square versus h1 define sigma square greater than sigma naught square. Okay, that means here I can reject h naught if summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square divided by sigma naught square greater than equals to chi square in alpha. Okay, so given options, in option A, h naught defines alpha square equals to 2 versus h1 defines alpha square, not this is a sigma square greater than 2. So for this case, sigma naught square equals to 2. For this case, sigma naught square equals to 2. We use the test statistics. summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square divided by 2, and we can check next option. Option B, H naught defines sigma square equals to 1 versus H1 defines sigma square greater than 1. For all sigma naught square equals to 1, we use the test statistics. Summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square, and in option C, H naught defines sigma square equals to 2 versus H1 defines sigma square sigma square greater than H1 square equals to 2. No, H1 sigma square equals to 4, and here sigma square less than 4. So this option is one-sided test, but in the opposite direction for a decrease. Okay, for this option. And in option D, ये क्या हो गया, वन साइडेड टेस्ट हो गया. But in the opposite direction for decrease. For option D, H naught defines sigma square equals to 2 versus H1 defines sigma square less than 2. Okay, so this is also one-sided test, but for a decrease. This is also one-sided test for decrease. Here for decrease also. Okay, so conclusion, we can say that the critical region summation of I equals to 1 to n xi in summation of I equals to 1 to n xi square divided by sigma square greater than equal chi square in alpha. Aligns with the alternative hypothesis being greater than a specific value of sigma square greater than sigma naught square. So therefore यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर कौन सा हो जाएगा, ये जो कंडीशन मैच कर रहा है, ऑप्शन बी. ओके, तो यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन कौन सा हो जाएगा, करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी. तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारा मेथड को आप जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू चैम्प.